Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production is here, and I mean say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know, say yesterday, Tuesday, October the 4th, 2022, my viewers and subscribers, a very sad incident occurred down there in Westmoreland, Jamaica, my viewers and subscribers, where a 12-year-old youth, them say, manage to commit. That's always something that my people. See, very sad situation. During the whole thing, my viewers and subscribers, we have seen video release where the mother of this 12-year-old is speaking out, my viewers and subscribers. And there is some things that this mother is saying that this little youth, you know what I mean, like all of this could have prevented if the father did play a real father role and stand up in the youth life. So I'm going to share this recording with you all, my viewers and subscribers, hearing what this mommy has to say about what happened, you understand, and what she think that could have prevented this thing from occurred, you know what I mean, with this little one. So just check out this, my viewers and subscribers.
Alright, this father wasn't in his life and it affected him a lot. So I believe that every father should play a role in their child's life. But this what happened, and the father make it happen. Yeah, man. This what happened, and the father make it happen. Remember one time I sent him up my father when he was much younger, go spend Christmas, and he come down before time, and I sent him go to school. Teacher called me, say he use radar beads and cut up in his hand. And when my uncle was dead now, I have to send over there, and he came home with couple marks on his hand, and I asked him why he do it, and he said he never ready to come down and find my father. But the father is a father like this. He's not responsive. He's not what do you call it?
Responsible?
He's not responsible to keep the child. You understand? So me have to keep him and do anything and do for him. So me just know every child need their father in their life. Every father for play play a role in their fitness life. Yeah,
So my people, that's mommy, you know, basically speaking out. And you know basically she has say, a daddy fault. Yeah, that's basically what she has say, a daddy fault. And me now go around the thing and say, yo, Papa, somehow not to what listen up on a real level. Somehow not go in there, and plant it, and when it do come, you don't want to take care of it. You understand? It's not a good look. Really and truly, not a good look. But one of the main things what me I going to say now, my viewers and subscribers, real thing what I going to say. Listen to me. Zin, pan mommy's side. Mommy, you say them something here, but on a real level, yo, me I going to tell you the truth. Based on what you are saying, where you come off, you see the signs them. You saw all the signs. And did you make any necessary report or anything, you know, with all of these signs that you saw? Did you just allow it to just bypass and was just waiting for daddy? But if you saw the sign and you could have said, you could have proved because you see it already, that means you should have taken him, because we have places in Jamaica, you know, when I say something like this, we can, you know what I mean, help him, counsel him and them thing there. Zane, we understand the fact, you know. Say, yo, the father there to play a role, but you know, mommy, sometimes you as a mommy, you don't know your daddy going on saying worthless and thing. That's how you are going to step in now for your little one. That's your pitney. Remember, you carry me in a belly, you know. So you know I going to stand up now and look at not pure worthless pup on the mind. If him not mind the pitney, you know what to do. The authorities is there, the court is there. But so come now, you are going to play the mommy and daddy role and push in him life. You know what I mean? So you mommy on a real level, man. If you see all of these signs, why you never make some necessary report adjustment? I never hear you say nothing like that. And then she has said now people what occurred, what transpired, like if the little boy go do something to our next little one, she managed me if put little slap on him and you know what I mean, him feel a way about it and boy, 2 toes of that happen people. Them find him string up. Take out him own self. John, it's a sad situation, my viewers and subscribers. Nice little boy, and look at him, too, man. You can see a bright future in him, my people. The next prime minister, the next big doctor in Jamaica, next top lawyer from Jamaica. But sadly, my people, he's not here no more. Parents, hear what me I say. Remember this, you know. See, not everybody are gonna be good. And a real level people, you know, so you have some woman out there, them what they see them here. Just like how you have a pooper them, you have some woman out there right now. Then go come some boom and bring forward here and run left again for the man alone. No joke about it, my people. So we have this, but we know we have more cases of where father do neglect their little one. You know what I mean? So for the real level fathers, enough to play a role in our youth life. It is very important, especially when they come on to them boy picnic. It's important. You get what me I say? Me I tell you what I know for facts, you know. You get what me I say, father, it is important. But mommy, you saw all of the sign them again. You should have come forward and do some little more adjustment because it seemed like you wasn't doing any and try to get this thing fixed. You know what I mean? Because you know what type of youth you have, you know what type of thinking you have in your brain cell, you know everything. You know what I mean? So why would you just neglect it like that? Come on. And one thing I can say, parents, on a real level, it is really important when you all see the signs and everything in your little one's life. Make the necessary adjustment. Report it. Bring them to the counselor. You understand? You saw the sign in a parents. Any parents out there I'm talking. Because, yo, it's sad. And nowadays, people, a lot of these food that these little ones are eating, you know what I mean? A lot of them look at juice that them a drink. A lot of them something, the chemical in it, you know what I mean? Make them react different. So we have these type of little ones nowadays, my people. They are growing up and they are coming up different. That's why a lot of them so aggressive, my people. Pertaining to these type of things they've been eating and these things they've been absorbing in their body. So they have a different type of mentality. Them brain function different. Them system different. You get what I'm saying? So you have to play a keen look, observation in your little one's life. You know what I mean? Because it's a sad situation. And I really do, and I'm going to send my deepest condolences to all the family, to the mother, you know what I mean? Even the worthless papa to basically when mommy I say, you know what I mean, of this little one, you know what I mean? And may his soul rest in peace. 12-year-old and living a life. You know it feel for no say a 12-year-old can pray, meditate, and for go take something tired. No, my people, on a real level, 12-year-old. You know what I mean? I just don't know, my people, but life is so precious. Life is so great. You know, we go through with stress and with problems them, but John know, I couldn't see how if it do that to me, my people. God know, because me always just believe in the Almighty, have faith in him and say, whatever me I go through, God, I go put something to it and make one day me get over this, people, because faith. You see me? But big up on yourself, my people. More love, more respect, and more blessings. And thanks to the love, the support, the like, the share, and every comments. You don't know one team, one dream, one scheme. And remember, subscribe, follow the IG, Facebook, Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official, Attacking Boss. Peace out. Attack.
It no easy when you catch a people yard in a foreign. Alright. First week and second week, well them treat you like guests. Third week and fourth week, you see them face kinda vex.